Is it on? Alright, a lot of you are wondering what this black stuff is in your iron. I don't personally know what it is, but I found a way of getting rid of it. It involves a wet tissue, a pair of pliers, and generic paracetamol. That's the one that, you take it out, it's the one that looks like a tablet that you can swallow. It's not the one that comes in a plastic coated, uh, stomach resistant capsule. You take it.
Well, it's called acetaminophen for the people that are
Yeah,
in this.
acetaminophen for people in the United States. Right. You take the pliers, or you can break it in half, but you take the pliers and hold the paracetamol like this. You put the iron on full heat and let it heat up. Then you take the acetaminophen or paracetamol and rub it on the black thing, on the black whatever the residue is, and you'll see that it will slowly start to melt off. A lot of smoke will come, but don't worry. The idea is to hold it with the pliers, so that you don't burn your hand. Once you've rubbed enough, put the paracetamol down. Take your wet tissue and quickly wipe off the blackness. As you can see, there's less blackness. You repeat that as many times as possible to completely take off all the blackness from the iron. Like so. As much as possible. When you finish, put it down. Again, same thing again. Wet tissue. See, it's almost gone. And once you're finished, just once again with the last bit of paracetamol, those last little bits, and there you have it. Clean iron. Thanks.